Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to use the Survey Line Manager in Stringer Topo software. If you've ever struggled with managing surface lines after creating your COGO points, this feature is here to make your job easier. Whether you're refining survey lines, fixing overlapping break lines, or getting your model presentation ready, Survey Line Manager gives you full control over your survey strings. Let's jump right in. Make sure you're in the Survey Strings tab, then click on the Create Strings button. This opens the Survey Strings window, just like the one that pops up automatically right after creating your COGO points. In the Point Group section, select the points you want to include. Then, under Survey Line Set Table, choose the appropriate code. For this video, we'll go with Numeric, individual layers. You also have additional options like Order by Point Number and Arc-to-Chord tolerance, but we'll keep the defaults. Now, click Create Survey Strings. Another window will appear for Code Set and Civil 3D Surface Selection. Choose your settings, click OK, and just like that, Stringer Topo draws all your survey lines and break lines as polylines. But what if the lines aren't quite right? No problem. You can fine-tune everything from the Survey Strings tab or open the Survey Line Manager for a full suite of editing tools. Once inside, you'll see a clean list of all your survey lines, making edits quick and straightforward. Inside the Home tab, you'll find your core tools. The first button you'll see is Refresh, useful for updating the display whenever you need a quick reset. Right beside it, there are two handy options. Live Update, which lets you see changes reflected on your CAD, drawing in real time as you work inside the window, and Update Surface, which applies your changes to the surface model itself. For this tutorial, we'll keep Live Update turned on so we can follow the edits visually. And if you're someone who prefers a cleaner or more detailed workspace, you'll also find a section where you can toggle what appears in the window, like point numbers, elevations and more, just to keep things as clear or compact as you need. The Utilities section lets you do even more. Want to overlay an aerial image? Click Aerial Image and pick from the drawing itself. Need to check for overlapping break lines? Click Break Line Report. You'll get a detailed view of crossing lines. When you select a problem line, the drawing will zoom in on it automatically, and warning symbols will appear to guide your fix. Click Refresh once you're done and the alerts disappear. On the left, you'll find your point groups and string set controls. Your survey strings are displayed clearly, with break lines highlighted in mint green. Use the toggle at the bottom left to switch between viewing all strings or just the selected string. Once you click on a string in the drawing, its name highlights on the left and the ribbon switches to Edit Tools automatically. Let's say you want to delete a segment. Just click Delete Segment, then select the line. Done. Want to fix a broken polyline and make it a continuous one? Use Distance to Next. Highlight your string, click the button, and Stringer Topo will create one seamless line from start to end. Not happy with the edit? Click Reset and revert instantly. And what if you're not sure which tool to use to fix a break? Click AI Solver and let Stringer Topo handle it for you. To view detailed info about a string, click on it and select Properties. This will show you all data linked to that string. Back to Edit Tools. If you're working around a building and want to close a polyline, just click the point and hit Close. Prefer a rectangle? Use the rectangle button. What if your line is too rigid? Use Arc-to-Point to curve it. Want to revert just one point back to a straight segment? Highlight it and hit Line. Once you finish editing and close the manager, your changes will appear instantly in your drawing. Prefer working directly from the drawing instead of the manager? You can use the same edit tools from the Survey Strings tab. You also have command line access using STT followed by the function letter, like STTF for fitting a curve between 3 points or SETA for triangle arcs. And there you have it, a full walkthrough of the Survey Line Manager in Stringer Topo. This tool is powerful when it comes to refining survey data, resolving breakline issues, and preparing your surface for final modelling. Want to try it out yourself? Contact Present Trade today to get your free trial of Stringer Topo and see how it transforms your survey workflow. Happy designing!